Hey, hello, and good morning from Vila Joiosa in Spain. We are going to visit Valor Museum and Chocolate Factory. I don't know what I can film. I know the museum, but I don't think you can film the factory, the creating of the chocolate. We can film the tasting. Let's see. This is an ideal place to visit if it's raining or less beautiful weather, because it can rain in Spain. It's 300 days of sunshine. So let's see. Many years ago, we visited this with the kids, but they have no memory of it. And it's a less beautiful day today. So we're going to visit this factory. So we begin our tour. Just forgot to mention that the entrance, the tour is free, so you don't have to pay anything. So this is something very rare in this This is something very rare in this world today. Free tour, so can enjoy it for free. So there are tours in Spanish and in English. So today the only tour is at 10 o'clock. So check the website for the tours in English or in Spanish, what you want.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's totally free for you, but it makes a huge difference for my channel.
These are the old shapes that they have to fill with chocolate. So the first person, the first generation, he called Valeriano. So that's where the name comes from, Valor, Valeriano. So, and these are all things. They made the chocolates from their home before the electrical machines. So they made like everything in their home until the Civil War. After that, they could not make chocolate anymore, but they had enough in stock to sell. But this was really the beginning. So these are all shapes for eggs, for Easter, for example. You see saints, all different. This is also for Easter. Really cool to see. It's good? Good. Good? Yeah. So first I'm going to try with the caramel. Yep, that's good. And this one is milk chocolate with nuts. It's good. And it comes from a person from Belgium. It's good quality chocolate. It really is. So this is pure chocolate, 83%. So if you want to have pure chocolate, the more than 80% is pure. So this is really good. Yeah, this is good. So if you want to really be careful with your health, so you have more than 80% cacao and also 0% sugar. If you are having problems with sugar or want to take care of your health, this is the most healthy one. They even have 92% cacao. This is, I never seen that before. 92%. It's really nice tour. It takes about 40-45 minutes. So that's really cool. And it's for free. And of course you can buy something in the shop. You have in town a Valor restaurant. It's like churros and chocolate milk that you can drink. It's the best in town. Everybody goes there. So maybe we're going to eat churros after this tour. So we have the churros with the Valor chocolate. This is really thick. Look how thick. So you can dip this in the chocolate. Then we have a lemon cake and we have Valor chocolate cake. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Así. Is it the good one?
With chocolate.
Chocolate, eh? A lot of chocolate.
Yeah, it's good.
Good.
Is it good?
Fresh. This is good.